With Natalie, we've treated her once before. Again, Natalie is a Ashtanga yoga practitioner, and she was suffering with the left hip issues, and then coming up into the shoulder. After the first treatment, we managed to alleviate quite a bit of the symptoms in the left hip, but we were finding that a lot of what was causing all the injury was coming from the C-1 at the top on the left-hand side. So again, we're finding that to be the principal area that we're going to be treating, and then we're going to be treating some areas where she's compensated onto and caused tension and torsion into those areas of the spine. So those need to just be freed up so that the body can find a more normal alignment, so to speak. And that's what we're going to be doing. I think because it's a second treatment, we just found that the first treatment there wasn't enough stability around the joints for it to hold the adjustment as much. So given usually with most people 4 to 6, sometimes, you know, it can take longer than that, but 4 to 6 treatments, you'll start to find that the adjustment will hold for at least 4 to 6 days, you know, and then you can start to maybe increase the pace between the treatments after that, or at least give more time between the treatments after that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to adjust the C1, the upper cervical or T1 rib on the left-hand side, and then the lower back as well, and her right pelvis. It's a very easy adjustment, just a matter of, okay, so we're just going to put a little impulse through here. You just relax. There we go. And a good one. Good. Okay, so breathe in and out. That's it. Just get that into a nice position there. There we go. Good. And then I'm just going to put a little impulse into there as well. Breathe in and out. Relax your shoulder. That's good. And nice. Okay, those are done. A little more. That's it. Relax. Let those shoulders just fall nicely onto the table. This is just a little one, it won't. There we go. Good.
Yeah, I feel good. That's released, definitely. So.
Yeah.
Tension is,
Does the shoulder feel easier as well?
Much more. Yeah, I had this, you know, this pain, this kind of pointy pain.
Yeah.
Which I don't have right now.
Okay, that's good. And it was just that adjustment in the neck that did that, that freed it up, A little bit up in the rib as well. Mm-hmm. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hopefully that lasts forever. If it doesn't,
just have to follow you somewhere.
You'll just have to fly up to Ashbourne. Okay, or back in Goa.
Exactly.
Okay, excellent. Thank you.